In Sparta, a man's word was a weapon. In this age of noise and empty promises, you must choose to become rare. These are your rules. Rule 1. Speak only what you intend to execute. Your word is not decoration. It is a blade. Draw it only when you are ready to strike. Rule 2. Make your word law. Say it. Do it. No loopholes. No later. Only now. Rule 3. Begin with micro-oaths. Small, unbreakable, done daily. These are the foundations of greatness. Rule 4. Do not announce. Deliver. Let your silence become your signal. Action is the only message. Rule 5. No excuses. No extensions. Own every failure. Then, redeem it with fire. Rule 6. Train your word like a weapon. Every kept promise sharpens it. Every broken one dulls it. Rule 7. Speak less. Move more. The loudest voice rarely wins. Let your footsteps do the talking. Rule 8. Build a reputation with yourself first. Become the man you can trust. Again and again. Rule 9. Never break a promise in private. The unseen oath is the most sacred. That's where honor lives. Rule 10. Let your word shape your world. Don't rise to your dreams, fall to your discipline. Then rise again, stronger. I speak with intention. I follow through without exception. My word is my weapon. I am forged in discipline. Comment your next oath, then disappear. And go keep it.